Chocolate brownie is one of the most preferred desserts by most of us. Let us learn how to make this eggless chocolate fudgy brownie today in our channel. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Yella Chanagide. Come, let us look at how to make this delicious brownies today. I've taken 50 grams of butter. This is salted butter. And to that I'm adding Amul real chocolate, 240 grams. All the ingredients will be given in the description box. Make sure to use dark real chocolate instead of compound chocolate. It works better in this recipe. I'm microwaving for 30 seconds and giving this good mix. You can also melt both the ingredients together and on a double boiler too. Make sure the butter and the chocolate is very nicely mixed and combined, and let it become to the room temperature before we add the other ingredients to it. Just check out everything is combined well. If there are any lumps, you can microwave for 10 seconds more and combine it. Now to another bowl, I am taking 200 grams of Greek yogurt. You can use normal curd also in this place. Make sure the curd is thick enough. I'm adding 240 grams of powdered sugar. This is just regular sugar which has been powdered well. Give it a good mix. Make sure to mix it well so that the sugar and the sugar dissolves completely in the yogurt. These eggless brownies turn out to be very delicious. So do try at home and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to this and giving it a good mix. And let's keep it aside. And in the dry ingredients, I have taken 180 grams of all-purpose flour, which is Maida. To that I'm adding half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. This is a cakey and fudgy brownie. It is not just cake brownie or not completely fudgy brownie. It's in between both of them. Adding in 20 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder. You can use any good quality unsweetened cocoa powder to this and mix all the dry ingredients well. If you want to make this a cakey brownie, you can add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. If you're making fudgy brownie, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And to our chocolate and butter mixture, I'm adding the yogurt and sugar mixture and giving it a good mix. Make sure both the ingredients are combined well. If you like this video, please do like, follow and share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Now our wet ingredients is completely mixed. I am sifting the dry ingredients. Sift the dry ingredients so that there are no lumps left, and make sure to mix gently. No need to over mix here. If you over mix, the brownies won't turn out to be good. I'm mixing the dry ingredients in batches so that there is no over mixing to it. These brownies are going to be best served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and even kids love to eat this brownies at home. Now all the dry ingredients is sifted well and it's been combined in the wet ingredients. Just check out, it's going to be a little thicker than the cake batter. It is perfect. Make sure to give it a good mix and there are no lumps in it. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a baking tin. I have taken a 10-inch baking tin here and I have lined with a butter paper. Make sure to leave extra handles so that it's easy to lift the brownie after it is baked. Leave the extra handles on both the edges. Now spread the batter completely in the pan. You can reduce the quantity to half and make a smaller brownie. I've made a bigger brownie today. You can reduce all the measurements to half and make a smaller brownie as well. And I'm going to top it with few chocolate chunks. You can add walnut or almond or any nut of your choice in this place. and bake it in a preheated oven at 165 degree for about 25 to 30 minutes. Check out how the skewer has come out clean and it's completely baked. This brownie is going to be baked like this. It's going to rise and then later settle down. It's going to be perfect, no need to worry. Now let the brownie cool down completely before it has been cut. Then use a sharp knife and just do a one tap cut to the brownie. Check out, all our brownies is completely done. I've got around 16 pieces of brownie in this. Just let's check out the texture of the brownie. It's so nice, yummy and fudgy. Do try out this recipe at your home and let us know how it came out in the comment section. For more such interesting recipes, do follow our channel. Posting more such eggless dessert recipes on our channel. Keep watching. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care.